Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. Let me introduce our member. My name is Ananda Intan as MC, and with my partner is Asifa. And for guests, we have Anissa and Dina. Now we will ask you a question.
Good afternoon, Mr. Bina. How are you?
Yes, I am fine. Thanks for a question.
What is the difference between booster vaccine and third vaccine?
A booster vaccine is given to individuals who have been given complete primary vaccination and have active, strong antibody level. But over time, the antibody level have decreased, so it is necessary to give a booster. While the third vaccination is defined as a vaccination given to individuals who, after who complete primary vaccination, the antibody level have not been active adequate, so it is necessary to give a third vaccination.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Bina. Why is it necessary to give a booster vaccine, Miss Anisha?
Booster vaccine is needed to increase antibody level, which this decrease over time so that immunity against COVID-19 infection increases adequately.
Okay, thanks, Miss Anisha. What are homologous and heterologous booster vaccine, Mr. Bina?
Yes, homologous booster vaccines are vaccines that are given with the same type of vaccine, such as if the primary vaccine is given with Sinovac vaccine. The booster vaccine will be with Sinovac. The heterologous booster vaccine is a booster vaccine that is given with a different primary vaccine. For example, the primary vaccine with Sinovac and the booster with the Pfizer vaccine.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bina. Do you need a booster vaccine every year? Is it safe to be vaccinated continuously, Miss Anissa?
Okay. Until now, studies regarding the needed booster are still in the research stage and are still waiting for future development.
Okay, thank you, Miss Anissa. Is it necessary to check for antibodies before the booster vaccine is administered, Mr. Bina?
Okay, there are no special laboratory test requests before the booster vaccine, except on the indication and advice of the special who treat the veteran.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bina. Is it necessary to carry out certain laboratory test before the booster vaccine is administered, Miss Anissa?
Okay, there are no special laboratory tests required before the booster vaccine except on the indication and advice to special who treats the patient.
Okay, if COVID-19 case increase, should health workers who have received a booster for at least 6 months be given another booster?
Okay, until now, studies regard the need for a fourth booster are still in the research stage and are still waiting for further developments.
If the first and second primary vaccine are Sinovac, or the first and second vaccine are with AstraZeneca, what should be booster vaccine be with?
Okay, the booster vaccine given follow the advice and rules set by the government and the Food and Drug Administration (BPOM).
If the first and second primary vaccine are Moderna, or the first and second vaccine are with Pfizer, what should the booster vaccine be with?
Okay, the booster vaccine give follows the advice and rules set by the government and BPOM.
What if the first and second primary vaccine are of different types? For example, Sinovac and Pfizer, which booster vaccine should we use?
Consult further with the treating doctor.
Due to the first primary vaccine experiencing side effects, should I get the booster vaccine?
Complete the second primary vaccine before give the booster vaccine. Also, the treat doctor for the feasibility of give the second primary vaccine.
Why is the booster vaccine give half the dose?
Based on the rules of a study conducted by a consortium of experts in Indonesia, the immunogenicity obtained after a half-dose booster was not significantly different from that of a full-dose booster.
Is half the booster vaccine effective enough to protect against COVID-19 infection?
It is not because it has been through research from experts.
When should a booster vaccine be given after the second vaccination? Some say 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months. Which one is better?
The theme of give the booster vaccination follow the advice of the government with a minimum of 6 months after the second vaccination.
Thank you our answer for the question, Mr. Bina and Ms. Anissa. Thank you for coming our TechSol. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.